Okay, today's a slow Sunday, July 9th, 2023. I want to show you how you can use this board to get yourself a high-speed 25-210 kilobit per second data transfer rate using Winlink VARA FM. So this is one of several people selling it on eBay. I'm not endorsing this person at all. I'm just showing you that this is the same board that's being sold all over eBay. It's just a simple audio interface board, couple of transformers, opto isolator for push to talk, and it does its job very well. So with that board, what we're going to do is I already have that packaged in here, ready to go with the Kenwood F6 handheld. So today I'm going to demo using this is just a DB9 serial adapter because my computer doesn't have one. So if you have a Toughbook, you can plug it straight in. But other than that, you're going to need a DB9 serial adapter. And all it's doing is taking the ground, and I believe it's pin 7, the request to send, off that adapter to trigger the circuit to give you your isolated push to talk. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start a connection here, and I'm going to show you the speed that this board is capable of. So it's plugged directly into the computer's speaker and audio jack on the side, and you're transferring the audio straight from the computer to the radio through that circuit and a 0.1 microfarad locking capacitor that I put in line. So there you go, you got the 25-210 transfer rate, and that's assuming that your radio is 25-210 capable, and the site is also 25-210 capable. But it's very stable, and there's my audio connection out of the speaker. So normal interfaces for Winlink VARA, whether it's a DRA adapter, signal link, or anything else, normally you use the USB output for your push to talk and your audio, but it's not necessary. So if you want to go cheap and go this way, you could do it. I mean, it's going to come out, you're going to have a good computer and a good radio. I'm not going to kid you on that. If you don't have a good computer output or a good radio to move it, it's going to be garbage. Garbage in, garbage out. And my computer's kind of old, but this is my throwdown computer for ham radio. So it gets handed down after it gets taken out of service. And that's all I wanted to show you, that you can get 25-210. There's no magic to it. The VARA program is excellent. It can handle a wide variety of audio, and yeah, that's about it. And you can see on the VARA, you got to set that down below. You got to set that mode for wide if you want the 25-210 with a radio like the Kenwood F6. Currently on the market, I don't believe that there are any handhelds that can do 25-210, and the cheapest radio is a mobile, the Alinco. I can't even think of the name, but the Alinco Mobile is the only other one that can do 25-210 fairly cheap. Anyway, thanks for watching. Just thought I'd share that with you. Aloha.